Okay, smallest 3-digit number is 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999. See, as we are observing that it is an even number, but it is not an even number. Okay, this one is even number 100 and this one is not even number. This is an odd number because of it is not divisible by 2. So all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So 999 is not our answer. Okay. So write the smallest and largest even number of 3 digit. This one is even. No problem at all. We can choose it. Okay. But this one is not our largest 3 digit even number. So we can take 998. Just predecessor of 999. Predecessor of 999 by the subtracting 1. Okay. So this will be our even number. Largest 3 digit, we can fill it here, even number, and smallest 3 digit even number. Okay, so smallest 3 digit even number is 100 and largest 3 digit even number is 998. Now question is saying find their product and state whether it is not. Now the multiplication is is equals to 998 multiplied with 100 99800. And see, this one is also an even number because of it is divisible by 2. How can we know that? Because of at the unit place we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those all are the even numbers. So our result of multiplication is 99800. That is also an even number. Okay. Now find their product and state whether it is also even or not. It is definitely even, and one property of belongs to even number, that is when we multiply even numbers we will get as a result even number. If we multiply odd numbers, then that will give us a result as odd number. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Question number 6. List all the prime number less than 50. List all the prime number less than 50. First of all, what is the prime number? Prime number are those number which has only 2 factors. One is 1, that is it, and itself. Means if we have 5 have only 2 factors, 1 and 5. If we have 3, then factor is 1 and 3. If we have 7, then factor is 1 and 7. So these all are the prime number. Prime number, because of they have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, 1 and itself, 1 and itself. Okay, so we have to find out all the prime number which are less than 50. So let's start. Question number 6. List all the prime numbers less than 50. So as we know that 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and the last one is 50. So we have to choose prime number which are less than 50. So we will circle that. See, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest even number. Okay, so we can choose that. 3 is also a prime number. After that 5, and then 7, and then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 37, 43, 47, and enough. So these are circled number has only two factors, 1 and itself. That's why they are known as prime number, and we have to evaluate, we have to find out the values which are less than 50. So these are our answer, that red circle are our answer. So you have to do in your fair notebook as like I am doing on this board. Okay, do not change any kind of order. Now the next one is between 85 and 105. You will write all the numbers, and after that select all the prime numbers which lie between 45 and 100, 85 and 105. Now we will move to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is saying, write the greatest prime number less than 100. Write the greatest prime number less than 100. You will do this question by yourself because of you know that what is the prime number. Now write the greatest prime number less than 100. So you will write all the prime number less than 100. Now question number 8, write 3 pairs of prime number whose difference is 4. You have to maintain difference of 4 between 2 prime number, because of you have to write the pair, and pair contains only 2 things. Okay, so we have to write 3 pairs. So as we know that first 2, 3, 5, and after that 7, after that 11, after that 30, then 17, then 19, then 23. Okay, so now we will see which has only those prime number which maintain that difference of 4. So 3 and 7 has the difference of 4. So first pair is 3, 7. Okay, 7 and 11 also have the difference of 4. Okay, we have 2 pair, 13 and 17 also a pair of prime number which has the difference of 4. And now 19 and 23 also a pair of prime number which has the difference of 4. So 3, 7, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, 23. Okay, so likewise you will do question number 9. Express each of the following as the sum of 2 odd numbers. Here we are seeing for difference. In the next question we will see for addition. So first of all you will write all the prime numbers, and after that you have to see that if we add 2 odd prime number, then it will give us 84. If you have any problem, then let me know in the group. Now question number 10. Express each of the following as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. Same question as 9 as 8. Question number 11. Express each of the following as the sum of twin primes. What are the twin primes? First of all we have to know about that. Okay? So twin primes are those primes which has nothing in common except 1. Nothing in common except 1. They have the difference of 2. They have the difference of 2. As prime number, they have nothing in common except 1, and according to the twin prime they have a difference of 2. Okay, now we will see the question. Express each of the following as the sum of twin primes. Sum of twin primes. See,